I'm Dr. Weniger, and at LUX Medical Spa, we're now offering GetHairMD, which is the only advanced comprehensive restoration program for hair, and really the only thing of its kind available anywhere. More specifically, GetHairMD is a non-surgical, needleless, which is important, treatment for hair thinning, hair loss, not hair that's completely gone, okay, not baldness, that's still hair transplants, but this is everything before then, and it's a multimodal system for hair loss, made together of various things that have been proven for hair loss, but sort of packaged into one system that can be customized for the patient. And probably most importantly, it's really the only system that's non-surgical that can start with AI-driven, really microscopic images of the scalp from multiple areas where we can count size of hair follicles, number of hair follicles, get all kinds of data to see what we're starting with and to be able to check that as things improve, because we don't want to be just one of these other things that you see on the internet, hair loss treatments that you always think, is this real or not? So what we're really offering is the comprehensive real deal solution that is always up to date on the latest advances in technology for hair loss.